are going to study subject GK of class 3. Yes. So here chapter number 3 is reptiles. Okay. We have completed up to chapter number 2. Okay. Now we are going further with our chapter number 3, that is reptiles. Okay. We have already studied about some reptiles. Now again we are going to study about reptiles in some deep. Okay. See here, first of all, here you have to recognize the reptiles by the given clues. Okay. So हम सबसे पहले reptiles recognize करेंगे given clues से. So you must have seen this reptile in your garden. Where we can see this reptile? In the garden we can see. Okay. It changes the color of its body according to its surroundings. This reptile can change the color of the body according to its surroundings. Okay. If there is a greenery, this reptile becomes green. Okay. Likewise, it can change the color of the body. It sees the recognize the around surrounding background, and then it changes color of its body according to it. Okay. So which reptile it is? Tell me. It is chameleon. Yes, very good. Now second number it is, you are scared of this, but all of these are not poisonous. Okay. We are scared. Scared means dana. Okay. But all of these are not poisonous. This reptile has scales on its body. So we have already studied who have scales. Snake have scales. Yes. The most poisonous of this reptile is marine cobra of the Western Pacific. Okay. So where we can find marine cobra? At Western Pacific. Okay. So we are scared of this, but some of these are not poisonous. They cannot harm us. Okay. So they are snake. Okay. Then third one it is, you must have seen this reptile on the walls of our home. Walls. Okay. दीवार पे दिखते हैं. So these reptiles are seen on the walls of our house. Okay. So the biggest of this kind is Komodo dragon. Who is the biggest among all this? It is Komodo dragon that can grow up to 3 meters. Okay. We have heights, they have meters. So it can grow up to 3 meters. Okay. Then so it is lizard. Yes, you can see the picture here, and you can also recognize by seeing the picture and also by this clues. Okay. Then fourth number it is, some of you must be having it as a pet. We have pet at our home, dogs, cats, parrot. Yes, likewise we have pets. But one reptile is such that we can also pet it. Okay. So it is a tortoise. We can have it as a pet. Yes. Otherwise, do we have a snake as a pet? No, we can't put snake as a pet. But here, reptile, tortoise, we can put it as a pet at our homes. Okay. So this reptile has a hard covering called a shell. Do you all have seen tortoise? You must have seen. Yes. It has hard covering shell in which it can put its head inside and legs and hands also inside. Okay. So here also it is given. It pulls its legs and head inside the shell at the first hint of danger. Hint of danger. When it thinks that I am in danger, it puts its head and legs inside of its covering shell, that is body. Okay. So it can put its head and legs inside that shell. So nobody can harm it because that shell is very hard. We cannot harm the shell. That's why it put its head and legs inside. If it see us, if it not recognize us, we have just brought him as a pet, and when you go in front of him, it immediately put its legs and head inside because at the first he is afraid of us. Then when it becomes familiar, it also play with us. Okay, so that is tortoise. Now see next. They have large bodies. They are the largest of all living reptiles. Okay, these are all reptiles, but all of them are small in front of this reptile. Okay, they are very lazy as they are often found basking in the sun on river banks. So they are crocodiles. Yes, very good. Okay, so do you clear up till here? So now we are going further with our answering one word that you have to write in your CW. Now see, what is the first question given to you? Who can change the color of its body? So which reptile can change the color of its body, children? It is chameleon. Yes. So here you will write chameleon. Okay, children. So chameleon can change the color of its body according to the background. Now see, which snake is most poisonous? Okay, we have studied here about snakes. So snakes have scale on its body, and most poisonous is marine cobra, which is found in Western Pacific. So most poisonous is marine cobra. Okay, so here you will write marine cobra. Okay, now see next number. Which reptile has scales on its body? So that is also a snake. Okay, snake can move on its scales. Yes, it cannot. It does not have legs. Okay, so it moves on its scales. Now see, which reptile can put its legs and head inside the shell? So which reptile has shell first of all? Tortoise has only shell. Okay, no other reptile has a shell. So it has a sail, so it can put its head inside. Okay, so we have remember just that shell has having shell. Which reptile has having a shell? That is tortoise. So tortoise can put its head and legs inside the shell. So here you will write tortoise. Remember children, first letter will be capital. Okay, then which reptile is seen on the walls of our houses? And which reptile is seen on the walls? It is lizard. Okay, so here you will write lizard. Lizard is seen on the walls of our houses. Also, biggest kind of this is, इससे सबसे बड़ी कौन सी होती है लिजार्ड? इट इज कोमोडो ड्रैगन. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कोमोडो ड्रैगन. जो सबसे बड़ी लिजार्ड होती है उसको बोलते हैं कोमोडो ड्रैगन. एंड इट ऑल्सो कैन ग्रो अप टू 3 meters. Okay, now see, which reptile we have as a pet in our houses? We have just learned that it is tortoise. Okay, now which reptiles have large bodies? So that is large bodies. So crocodile. Okay, large among all of the reptiles is crocodile. It has very large body and also found basking in the sun at the river banks because it is very lazy. So next question is given to you. Which reptiles are very lazy and found basking in the sun on the river banks? So it is also a crocodile. Okay, so children, you clear up till here? Okay, do you understand all these 8 answering words? Okay, so now we will meet in the next lecture with our new lesson. Till that,